So I'm up on the roof of the RV, cleaning it, scrubbing it, making sure it's ready to go, because we're getting ready to coat the entire roof of the RV, and the National Championship Reno Air Races are going on for the very last time. And holy cow, I can see them right there. Here they're coming right over us. See if I can get this in the picture, in the video. Oh man. That's awesome. The National Championship Air Races in Reno, Nevada. The last year. 59, is it 59 years?